All right, when we're working with absolute value and equations, we want to remember that anything inside this can be positive or negative, and it would still come out to be a positive 5. So n over 9 could equal 5, or n over 9 could equal negative 5. And when we plug that back into there, it will still come out to be a positive 5. So once you have these two equations, we just make n the subject, so we multiply both sides by 9 in this equation. We get n equals 45. You plug that in, 45 divided by 9 is going to be 5. But then this one, if we multiply both sides by 9, the 9's cancel out and we get n equals negative 45. So in this problem, using two different equations, we could either have a positive 45 or a negative 45. One mistake that people will make in this is they'll just find one answer and they go, oh, it can either be that or negative. But you need to set it out so that whatever's in this absolute value is either positive 5 or negative 5. And that'll help you solve that problem.